Met Cwpan merched Cymru a doedd Pontypridd na Met Caerdydd dildio gol yn ei tair gêm Cwpan cyn cyfarfod yn y rownd gynderfynol. Ond Met ildiodd gyntaf wrth i Alana Murphy orffen symudiad o safon i Pontypridd. Daeth Sophie Hancock yn agos i unioni pethau, ond i foli nerthol yn taro top y trawst. Munud yn ddiweddarach ac o'r un safle fe fentrodd Laura May Walkley. Ar tro hwn y bil yn curo Macy Jones a Met Caerdydd yn gyfartal. Roedd na eilyddio athro lithgar yn yr ail hanner gyda Shannon Evans yn dod ymlaen i roi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Cyn sgorio'i hael i'w gwneud hi'n gyfforddus i'r Met gyda chwarter awr o'r gêm yn weddill. Ac fe roddodd Lucy Finch yr eisin ar y gacen wedi 86 o funudau, gyda gergyd wych o du allan i'r cwrt i sicrhau bod Met Caerdydd yn cyrraedd y rownd derfynol.
Yeah, absolutely buzzing. I think definitely after Wednesday's defeat to Swansea, we had our sort of eye on today's game and we want to put ourselves in two finals. So to be able to do that today, it wasn't an easy game by any means, okay, and yeah, credit to Ponty where it's due, but yeah, we really wanted to make sure that we were in that final and yeah, the girls got us there. So yeah, fantastic.
I wasn't expecting to come on and make an impact like that, but it's always good to score goals. It's been a while.
I think the performance itself, I think we had really good spells. I think what we've probably learned today is that we need to sustain those spells for longer periods of time. We had a really good start to the half, to the first half anyway, and then even the latter half of that first period, we sustained a lot of pressure and we did that well. But going into that second half, how do we manage it? What are those short spells where we're doing really well look like over the 90 minutes? And I think that probably proves where Cardiff Met are at now. They can sustain that for long periods and they can challenge us for the 90 minutes, whereas we're probably hitting them on very short, sporadic moments, I think.